Welcome back to Bitcoin Mastery. In this video, I'm going to be doing an overview of trading cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. This will be the first video in the trading module, but that's what I want to talk about today is trading and investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This is going to be one of your 4 streams of income for your cryptocurrency business if you choose to partake in all of them. That's what we're going to be going through. We're going to be showing you multiple streams of income, generating multiple streams of income through cryptocurrencies so that you don't have to rely on just one, especially trading, because when you first start off trading, it's going to be kind of a learning curve. So I'm going to make sure that you become successful in this. So 3 of the streams of income are going to require upfront capital, like trading, right? Trading and investing, mining, and lending. The 4th stream of income is going to be your crypto brand, and that requires no startup capital. So that's why I have percentages kind of listed out, and a good starting off point if you're just going to be trading Bitcoin at first, which I highly recommend. Just starting off with Bitcoin, you could do 33%, 33%, and 33%. So 33 in trading, 33 in lending, 33 in mining. So if you had $1,000 to start off with, that'd be $333 each. But for this purpose, I'm going to do, for trading, I'm going to say start off with 20%. And the reason that is because it depends on the amount of risk you're going to be taking when you're trading, okay? You could either be taking on high risk or low risk trades, okay? And what is a high risk trade? If you've had trading experience before, then you know that a high risk trade would be a shorter term, right? A shorter time frame. So this would be like day trading. And I would say the highest risk would be day trading altcoins, okay? So if you're going to be day trading altcoins, that's going to be your highest risk, in the cryptocurrency market, right? Relative to the cryptocurrency market. The crypto market alone is, looked at as high risk, right? If you look at traditional markets like the stock market, you don't see as much volatility in those markets. So, the cryptocurrency market overall is a little bit higher risk. But within that market, there is high risk, which would be day trading altcoins, and there would be low risk, which would be, investing long term. So investing long term in Bitcoin, okay? That would probably be your lowest risk investment and long-term trading strategy, okay? So you have to determine, I'm going to help you determine where you should start, okay? When you're first starting off with trading, you should definitely go more towards low risk to start with because you're learning. You need to learn the markets. So let's go ahead and get into that. We're going to start off with more lower risk strategies like investing or swing trading more long-term in Bitcoin, because when you give yourself more time to be right, you're going to be more profitable, okay, at first. If you go out and you're a new investor and you start trying to day trade altcoins, with the amount of volatility that's in these coins, you're going to lose out on your 20% investment real quick. And that's why I want to, emphasize that this number can be adjustable, okay? You don't have to put just 20% into your trading and into your investing. I just recommend this number to start off with, because if you lose this 20%, right, trading altcoins, you still have 80% of your investment. So if you started off with $1,000 and you lose $200, you still have $800 left that's generating you income every single day. And that's what we're going to get into. But let's go ahead and start off with, where do we start with trading, right? I want you to be very successful in trading because it is a great source of income. And if you take, the right set of actions in day trading, swing trading or day trading, cryptocurrencies, you can be very, very, very profitable. We see some altcoins go up 100% in one day. And if you're able to replicate those types of moves and join in on those types of moves, this could be a great source of income. So what we're going to want to do first is determine your time frame, okay? This is the number one step you need to take when trading cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, but I like to think of Bitcoin as, you know, the main cryptocurrency. So the first step is to determine your time frame. Determine time frame. And what does that mean? I'm going to be showing you in the next few modules some charting indicators and view times so you can determine what a time frame is. So we're either day trading, right? We're either day trading, let's just say a 1 minute chart, right? Day trading a 1 minute chart. Or we are, let's just say we're swing trading a 4-hour chart. And I'll be showing you in the next few modules what that means, okay? When we set up a 1 minute chart, that means each candlestick is representing 1 minute. So your trades have to be very, very quick and precise. But what I do recommend starting off with is swing trading. Okay, swing trading is where we don't hold our position, or we hold our positions overnight. Whereas day trading, you're going to be in and out of these cryptocurrencies as quick as possible for small portions of profit, right? With day trading, we're trying to make dollars. With swing trading, we're trying to make hundreds of dollars. So they're two separate strategies. With day trading, you're going to be maybe trading 100 times, 100 times a week. Swing trading, you might trade once a week. So you have to leverage in, you have to factor in fees, right? Trading fees. You have to factor in risk tolerance. But when determining your time frame, I want you to start off with a longer time frame, because what does a longer time frame mean? It gives you more time to be right in your trade. So what you're going to start off with is swing trading. That means we are going to be holding positions overnight, and we're going to be starting off with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency. It has, I would say, the least volatility out of a lot of these altcoins, and it gives you more time to be right and profitable. And I want to make sure that you're profitable at the end of the day, because this is a long-term game. If you really want to build a 6-figure cryptocurrency income, this is going to be the way to start out with, okay? And then once you get more experienced, then you can switch over to day trading, okay? Once you have a larger amount of capital, because if you have $100,000, right, and we're gonna try to get you there. When you get up to that 6-figure mark, you have a lot more money to play with, right? You have a lot more income to deploy into these different strategies. So when starting off, we're going to start off with swing trading, okay? That's going to be our time frame. So determine your time frame. Do you want to, swing trade on a, daily basis? Maybe every 2 to 3 days you're going to trade and get out of your positions, or do you want to swing trade on a monthly basis? Or maybe a yearly basis, depending on your strategy. Are we going for a big move, right? Some of my coins I'm holding on to, I've had ever since Bitcoin was at 3,000. And my longer term strategy is to, when it gets above 10K, I'm going to be, selling some off, right? And taking some profit. So determine your time frame. That's number one, okay? When going forward in these trading modules. Number 2 will be master Bitcoin. Okay? Gonna master Bitcoin and then scale into altcoins. Okay? And the reason why I want you to do this is because you're going to be much more successful if you start profiting in Bitcoin, right? You develop a set strategy, you start profiting in Bitcoin, and then you're able to deploy those strategies in altcoins and start making real profit, right? Because altcoins move a lot quicker. They move a lot quicker. They go up, anywhere from 30 to 100% a day, and those are pretty big returns. So we're going to master Bitcoin and then scale into the altcoins, okay? And you'll see this kind of applies to that first rule of determining your time frame, because Bitcoin has less volatility than some of those altcoins. So we're taking a longer time frame, and mastering a less volatile coin, okay? But there's still massive returns in Bitcoin. As we've seen, Bitcoin went from 2,800 to 7,000 in the matter of 1 month. That is over 100% return. So you could still make great money in Bitcoin and then scale into the altcoins once you get better at your strategies, okay? So that's number 2, master Bitcoin and then scale into the altcoins. Number 3 is gonna be learning market correlation. So learning market correlation and identifying patterns. Okay, so you've determined your time frame, your trading time frame. You're going to go a little bit longer if you're less experienced, or if you have no experience trading. You're going to go a little bit longer. Then you're going to master Bitcoin if you already haven't done so. Okay, you're going to master Bitcoin and then start trading some of the altcoins, and we're going to show you all the strategies of how to do that. Then you're going to learn market correlation, and this is where you become a master of the market, because you can see when Bitcoin goes up or down. You can see which coins are moving with Bitcoin or moving opposite of Bitcoin, right? And if you can identify those correlations, you could take advantage of the market, right? Sometimes you'll see that Bitcoin will rise, right? Will rise, huge percentages, and you'll see altcoins that will, either move adversely, they will go down, right? So when you see Bitcoin going up and this one altcoin, whatever it may be, maybe it's Neo, going down, and you'll see that when the market switches over and people start flowing into the altcoins and out of Bitcoin, Bitcoin will go down and some of those altcoins will go up. So it's good to learn market correlation and see how these coins move with Bitcoin, and we'll show you all of that in these modules, okay? And then identifying patterns, right? We're going to use simple chart patterns, simple, support and resistance levels to identify patterns that we could take advantage of and really make serious money in the cryptocurrency market. So again, that's number 3, learning market correlation and identifying patterns. This is going to be crucial, because once you can do that, you will be the master of the market, and that's when you'll start making serious money trading and investing into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And the 4th is going to be developing a strategy, okay? Developing strategy. And this has to suit you, okay? So once you develop a strategy, which we're going to show you all the tools, okay? We're going to give you tools and indicators that you can use, okay? Tools and indicators that you can use to develop your own strategy that works with your risk tolerance, works with your trading time frame. You're going to execute on your strategy, okay? Whether it be using RSI indicators or Bollinger Bands or MACD, we're going to show you all of those indicators. If you don't know what those means, we're going to show you those indicators, and then how to develop a strategy around that so you can have optimal entries and exits within your trading style, and you can execute on that in Bitcoin. You could execute on that in some altcoins like Ethereum and Litecoin. And once you do that, this whole trading and investing stream of income could be your best. It could be your highest stream of income, depending on how good you get at trading. But that's why we want to diversify into multiple streams of income, so that maybe this isn't your strongest suit, but you're still generating income from it, and also you're generating income from mining, lending, and your own crypto brand. So, but we're going to show you everything that you need to know to become successful with trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So I hope you enjoyed this first video. This was a broad overview of what we're going to be diving into in the next few videos when I jump on my computer and I'll show you the trading platforms and kind of how I set up my trades and how I look for opportunity. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.